Are you guys ready for the reveal? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh my god, I love it. Of course, it's the next day. I'm sure you guys figured it out. But this is it. This is how it looks like in natural light. I'll show you guys in direct sunlight as well. I'm also yet to explore how it looks in direct sunlight. But every time, well, this is my second time, but after you get your hair color done, you're just so excited about makeup in general. Like today, for example, I never apply kajal on my waterline when I have my regular jet black hair. But something about having colored hair and kajal on your waterline, like it really makes your eyes pop. And I feel so confident. I just feel fresh and rejuvenated almost. I love it. Of course, I got curtain bangs. And then just layers really shortened my hair length by 2-3 inches. It feels nice and light and voluminous, which is exactly what I wanted. So a little bit of background on what I got done. I went in there with balayage request, but then they told me that on natural hair, if I don't bleach my hair, the balayage wouldn't show much. The color at least that I was going to choose would not show up much, so she suggested that I do highlights. And वैसे भी मैंने highlights करवा रखा था पहले, तो I know कि highlight looks good on me. I mean, it's a technique, I know it should look good on everybody, but I was confident with highlight is what I mean. But then she told कि क्योंकि मेरे नीचे के बाल पे color already हो रखा था, the new color, the new highlight color and the previous color would not blend together. It would look two odd colors, and so to avoid that, we can do global. And the minute she mentioned global, I was freaking out because firstly, I'm very scared of coloring my hair, have always been, which is why I'm doing so later in my life. Like I'm going to turn 30 next year. It's only now, like actually last year technically, that I started coloring my hair. So imagine like going in for some non-invasive color like highlights, and then they're suggesting you to do global meaning like your whole head of hair should be colored, right? Very nervous the moment she said global, but I gave myself a pep talk that I'm gonna take care of it, I'm gonna oil it and blah blah blah, and I was like, let's do it. So this is what the end result looks like. I made sure that the global color is not very different from my actual hair color, which is like a very nice dark shade of brown. You can't really tell that this is not my natural color, but it all blends so beautifully together. I love it. I really do love it this time actually. The last time I got it done, it took me like almost a week to process it, and that was just highlight. But something about global plus highlight is just blending so well. There's not much of a stark difference between the highlight and the natural color that I used to have, and maybe that's why it's looking so... I love things when it just looks seamless with makeup, with outfit, and of course my hair. So okay, so it is Sunday today. कल तो पूरा दिन चला गया हेयर कलरिंग में मुझे वीडियोस फिल्म करना था जो हो नहीं पाया. So today I'm sitting down and I'm about to record my favorite skincare of 2024. Favorites and some not so favorites, like some mid-average skincare. So let's do that. And evening I plan on going out, just relax, have a social life as well, because sometimes when you do content creation over the weekends mostly, you kind of miss out on having a social, well-balanced life, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to avoid that now. Okay, so let me finish filming and I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, it's Nikhil's birthday today, and it's I think currently almost 6 p.m. and we have reached Yeah, it took us almost 2 hours to reach here. I don't know, you can't see, but it's over there. Let's go in. Nikhil, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Try this now. You wanna try? I don't know how much to pour. पूरा डाल दूँ.
डालो जल्दी मुंह में डालो.
His one bite is this big. Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at your bite, look at my bite. Hi guys, it's been 2 days since I last came on here. The last time I vlogged, we were in Iya. It was Nikhil's birthday. Today is 24th of August, so exactly 2 days. I used some cute bodysuits that I picked up from H&M. I've been living in bodysuits, like let me tell you, like right now also I'm wearing this black one that has quickly become my favorite. I think this is the second time you're seeing me in this bodysuit, but that's just what it is. Like it looks good with everything, and you put on a nice necklace and you're good to go. So I ordered 3 more. So firstly is this one. पता नहीं देखने से पता चल रहा है या नहीं, but it is sheer. It has these like line detail going on, which is nice, and I like this color on me, which is why I picked this up. Also this is like full sleeve. Then I bought this boat neck bodysuit, which is so pretty. Look at this. That is how it looks like. Now देखने से it looks quite big, right? But I think this is size M or L. Wait a second. Okay, this is M, and generally I wear M, but this one is a little tight on me, especially the sleeves. Like it's like very body hugging. So again, गर्मी में तो पहन नहीं सकती, number one, because it's full sleeve and also very tight. So I think I'll be only able to wear this during the winters. But the boat neck is looking super pretty. It goes like this. And yeah, I think they've launched it in different colors now. I think there's like this baby pinkish color available right now in the same variant. But I would say if you are size M, then size up definitely if you want like a more comfortable fit. So that's that. And then last but not the least, because Bangalore में बहुत ठंडी हो गई थी बीच में, I wanted something ripped जो मैं ऑफिस पहन कर जा सकूँ. But what I did not notice was कि इसका back is super deep. Okay, so this is the front of it. Okay, this is a black ribbed bodysuit. Again, full sleeve, like I said, ठंडी के लिए लिया था मैंने. But then look at the back. Look how deep that is. Can you tell? ऑफिस के लिए तो नहीं हो पाएगा, but winter में I'm going to get a lot of use out of it because it's giving very nice silhouette. I mean, that's the thing with bodysuit, right? Like if you have a nice fitting bodysuit, it's going to define your curves. It's going to look really pretty on you, which is what that is doing exactly. So I'm not showing you a try on right now because I'm currently sweating. I've been filming short form content without fan on, and even now I don't have fan on. So not the right time to show you a try on, but you'll see these eventually in my fashion content, which I am planning to do a lot more of. And also now that it's festive season coming in, I have to plan good content for you guys. I'm like really excited this time. So yeah, alright, so that was my quick H&M haul. Now I had plans of filming a full-length YouTube content, but I think I'm a little hungry, and also my hair is just not cooperating, so I'm gonna give myself a break. I've filmed 3 short form content, take my makeup off and have my evening snack, which currently is Greek yogurt with some seeds sprinkled on it. So let's do that. Hey guys, it's 1st of September. I cannot believe August is already done. But I was talking to you guys about this bodysuit in the last segment of the haul, and I'm wearing it today. I've styled it with these blue jeans. So today interior people are coming over to see the site, to see the house, and we have already, if you guys don't already know, my parents had logged a house here I think 2-3 months back, and now we are finally getting into the process of registration and then getting into interiors, and hopefully in 2-3 months time we should be able to move in. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here to show you guys some cute, not even cute, the cutest jewelry collection or jewelry that I picked up from the Envy house. So the first one is this one. It has butterfly charm a rhinestone and a beautiful pearl detail. Looks really nice with a top like this, I think. Then I have this necklace which I think will look stunning for your beach vacations. I actually was wearing something like this, I think exactly like this, but I'd very randomly picked it up from Max, and of course it was not anti-tarnish. This was all bronze, very cheap quality. By the time I came back it was already black, so I knew if I find a similar piece in anti-tarnish I would pick it up because ये बहुत सुंदर लगता है with all of your beach outfits. And then I have this earring. Then I have these very trendy but very dainty earrings, pearl detail again. और ये जो चीज़ है वो आपके कान के पीछे जाएगा, so it again adds that different touch. Another set of earrings, so we have rhinestone detail and then gold detail, which I think is very unique. I don't have anything like this in my collection. And then I have this one, the bow one, जो कि मतलब मैंने बहुत विचार विमर्श किया कि ठीक है मतलब bow है, yes it's cute, but will this be in trend the next year and the year after that? Maybe not, but then ये देखने के बाद ना मैं रेजिस्ट नहीं कर पाई. आई थिंक दिस आई एम गोइंग टू सेव फॉर ऑल ऑफ माई क्यूट फेमिनिन ड्रेसेस. आई थिंक उनके साथ बहुत ही सुंदर लगने वाला है ये. सो आई एम नॉट गोना वेयर इट फॉर बेसिक टॉप्स एंड ऑल, बट ये ड्रेसेस के लिए प्रिजर्व्ड है अभी. Oh, and I got this bracelet for free, जो कि they do this offer from time to time. If you buy of certain value, you will get something for free. Which I mean, this is not bad at all. This is quite nice, and this is adjustable, तो किसी भी wrist पे चलेगा ये. So that was my cute little Envy House haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I'm going to end the vlog right here because I'll start a fresh vlog of days to come. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification right next to it. You can follow me on Insta right over here, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.